Hello, I'm Dragos, and in this video we're going to see how you can use Gemini 2.5 for free and how you can ask it to create timestamp for your YouTube videos and get help in case you want to make things faster, and all of these things can be done for free. So if you don't know, this is the AI Studio.google.com. This is their website. You can create a free account in here, and in this interface you can go and use their AI for free. So you can have access to their experimental models for free. So in here in the right side, you see in this area that you can choose between different models. And basically, if you are trying to use one that it's paid, you're going to be charged, let's say, per usage. But you can create a free account and you will not be charged with anything. So I'm using this mostly to chat with their experimental models because they are free, and the Gemini 2.5 it's quite powerful. And in here basically this is their interface. You have the context window. So basically Gemini has the biggest context windows. It has like 1 million tokens, and in here you see that I have created yesterday a video that it had like, let's say, 46 minutes from what I am remembering. And I've asked him in here. We're gonna do also that to see if how it's doing. But let's see what it did for the one that I've created yesterday. So I've asked him, please create a timestamp for a video to add it in the video description and add a funny video description and title. So it created a funny title for me. So AI vs Quora spelling, the ultimate showdown, uncut augment code trial. So basically in here I've created, or I've tested the augment code, and I did some mistakes when spelling the Quora, and that's why he understood exactly what I was doing in that video. So this Gemini 2.5 is quite powerful and it can understand your videos very well. I guess they're doing something that it's checking like frame by frame everything, because otherwise it will be hard only with the transcription. And in here you see that it created like a funny video description. I didn't use it. I just wanted to see how it's doing, but it's doing very good. It's like very smart, and it created something that it can be used without a problem. And in here you have the timestamp. So you see in here that it created all the timestamps for me. You just add them in the video. So I did that. If we're going to check, for instance, this video right now, you see that, let me stop it. You see that in here, you see that you have the timestamps. If this thing will work, you can see, it's working right now. It's loaded. Allow, no, don't allow. And you see in here that you can go to different timestamp right now, and I've added everything in here like this. And this was done in 1 minute or so. You have the chapters in here. So in case you have a YouTube channel, you can use this for free right now, and you can, I don't know, speed things up with your YouTube video editing. So I guess the next thing for this, it will be to help you edit the videos. It will be very nice. So in here I will just create a new prompt to show you, I don't know, some of the things that this thing is having. Let me move this. So in here you see in the left side you have the library with the prompts that we have sent. You have some things, you have the changelog. I didn't use all of these things. Mostly I go into the right side, and in the right side you have the options to choose your model. In here you see the rate limit that you have. So you see that you have 5 requests per minute, and this is because I have a billing account. In the free tier you have 2 requests per minute and 50 requests per day. And in here you have the options to set the temperature. So basically what the temperature is, the fact that this will allow the AI to be more creative. So if you're increasing the temperature to 2, it will be very, very creative. If you do it like 0.1, it will just be on point. It will not be very creative. So for these things, I seen that one, it's like good. From yesterday, in here you have the options to structure the output. So basically, with this thing, you are telling the AI to provide you something that it's structured. Basically, I didn't use it in here. I'm using this with other AI agents because you reduce the number of hallucinations with this structure output. Code execution. So I guess this is like, it will help you execute code directly in there if you are asking him to create code for you. Function calling. So in here you can add different functions to this. Again, I didn't use this function calling till now. Okay, grounding with Google search. So basically in here you allow AI to use the Google search for different things. And output length, top P, didn't use these things. But for these things, yeah, you have also this plus button, and in here you can add a file from my drive. You can upload the file, you can record an audio, you can use your camera, you can add a YouTube video. We're going to do this. You have the sample media. So yeah, the UI is very simple to use, and in here you have all the basic things that you need. So right now, for instance, if you want to ask it something, you can do this in here and it will work with you. But for this, I will just try it right now with a YouTube video because I want to create a timestamp for a video that I have, not this one, but this one with Agno agent. So I've created a video. Let's see. Share. I will just copy from here the video URL, and we are going to go in here and we are going to ask him the same thing to create like a timestamp to add it in the description. And I will ask him to create a title because why not? We can do that. Let's see, like this. So right now we're gonna add the prompt. So in here you see that it used like in this area 500,000 tokens. So this video is also quite big. It has more than 30 minutes. So create a timestamp to add it in video description with a funny video title and description. I want him also to create this for me because it's already goes and understands the video, and I want to see what he will come out. Maybe it's better than something that I have. Okay, and right now we are gonna run this, and I will not cut anything in here. We're just going to wait and see how much time it will take the AI to create all of these things for me. And then we are going to go and edit this video. So yeah, so for you to see how the process it's working and it's doing. I mean, the next step for this again is to go and edit your videos. If this will happen or Google will release something like that, it will be very useful. I guess in the future they will add also this. So right now this Gemini 2.5, it's quite new. You see in here it was released in March 25. So it has like, I don't know, 10 days since it was released, and it's doing like a lot of things that Claude it's doing. It's in same level with Claude from my testing. It even smarter from what I have seen, depends on your use case. So I've used it with success to edit my AI tools that I've created, and until this thing it's doing, you see in here that right now it's took about 80 seconds. Also I have this for the YouTubers especially, I have this BitTools website where I ask him to create like a YouTube script for this with hooks and everything. I was just curious to see how it's doing, and the Gemini 2.5 it's used in here to do all of these things. You see in here I asked him to do this, and it created some very good things that you can add in your videos. For me, I'm not adding these things in the video. I want to be as natural as possible, but yeah, that's why I guess I don't have that many views. But if you want to have like something to help you with your videos, you can go in here with bit tools, and you can go and check my YouTube script generator, and it will help you create some more engaging scripts for your videos. All of these are for free, so you don't need to pay anything. I'm using free AIs. Just a point. So in here we see that we have the response. It took about 1.5 minutes to process this big video. So yeah, I guess if I wanted to do this, I should lose a lot of time. So let's see what it created for us. Agno agents from 0 to hero, faster than you can say pip install. Very good. I will use this in the title because I like it. Tired of AI agent frameworks, slow them, slower than a slot of sensitive. Yeah, it's quite nice, the description. Join Dragos. Yeah, join me, because it's me who created this video. Yeah, I mean, this is very nice. Again, you can build and modify this, but it provides you an let's say an interesting view of the AI. And now let's check the timestamp. And in here you have the timestamp. What are AI agents? Agno intro, okay. Agno toolbox, faster, okay. Okay, let's see. Memory, RAG, putting RAG to test. Okay, yeah. Running agents, teams. So yeah, I mean, this thing, it's good, and it will help others just go and they just go in the video where they want without any problem. So right now I don't have anything. Let me see if I can modify this. Okay, YouTube Studio, because I want to add the title. Okay, here is the content. Yeah, I mean, I have a couple of videos done. I tried my best with them. But I'm doing this because I like it. Let me remove all of these things because I don't like this extra space that it's added. And I will use their description. I just want to see how it's doing. And I think it will be useful for them just to create like a YouTube thumbnail. I will ask him to see if I can do that with this. I'm not sure. I didn't ask him in the past. Let me put this title in here. Okay. Good. Let me put the description. I want to use to see if, I don't know, this video gets some more traction than this, because it didn't funny description. Okay, join me. I will change that. Stay on the page. I don't know what. Okay. What, tired? Okay, let me put tired. Yeah, this thing, it will not be uncut because it's hard to cut. Join. Okay, join me. Okay, and right now, I mean, I will just save this where it is, okay, in here. And if we're going to check the video right now, you'll see that you have the timestamps in here, which is very nice. And you did this in, I don't know, 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. You have the title. Let's see if it's better than the one that it was before, because right now I see that I don't have a lot of views on this, even if like it's learning how to build AI agents from scratch with Agno, a good framework. Again, okay, let's see. Okay, can you provide me some nails inspiration with a prompt I want to see also, yeah, this is inspiration with a prompt to use. I want to see if this thing helps me create some thumbnail inspirations, because I think that thumbnail is not that good, maybe, or for sure. And ChatGPT created a very good chat. I don't know if it's free for free user, because I'm not paying for ChatGPT. But let's see. Okay, let me see if I can log in here. I want to see if this thing is creating something for a thumbnail that will be more engaging, because right now it wasn't that good. ChatGPT, come on, friend. I don't know, let's see. Okay, create image. Good. Let's wait for the prompt and see if this can create a thumbnail that is better than the one that I have. So ChatGPT released their image model that it's very good. It can handle text very well, and it's doing better than the other tools that I am using. Usually I'm doing my own thumbnails with the how it's called with Pixelmator Pro. Okay. Okay, in here you have like some ideas. Let's see. A sleek robot agent icon. Okay. Okay, it doesn't have a text in here. Super agent, Python logo. I will use this, and let's see, because I'm curious to understand if okay, create an YouTube thumbnail with let's see. With size like this. Let's see if this understands. I never used it in the past, but yeah, let's wait. I mean, this thing, it's not that fast from what I've seen from others, so this would take, I don't know, I guess a couple of minutes to finish with the generation. But the other thing that we can ask him, I mean, until it's finishing, I want to see. So please create me an article, because maybe you want to put this on a blog. I already have an article with this, but let's say you don't have, because I will create an article for this video with this, just to have it, put it on my blog also. So to put the links and everything in there. So please create a detailed blog article also for this video. I want to see if you can use this also to create a blog article. I've used different tools in the past for this, but usually the Transcript. But I'm interested to see if this Gemini, it's, I don't know, it's better also for this, because sometimes, I mean, maybe it's easier to create videos and create the article after. Let's see if it can help us with this. Let's see if this finished. No, it didn't finish, but I'm curious to see how it's doing. Basically, when you are also in the free plan, sometimes they're adding you into a wait queue, because yeah, premium customers should be in front. This is something normal, but I am happy that I can use this tool for free and see if it can help me also with my YouTube thumbnails, because I am not that good at creating something that inspires others. So I need all the help that I can get. Okay, let's see. Okay, so right now it's just finished thinking, and oh no, it's not finished, it's just... Okay, so right now it's just goes and creates the article form. I'm just curious to see how it's doing. This is free. So, okay, it tells you how you can go and install UV, activate the environment, heavily, okay, rich typer. Okay, good, I don't understand. In here it's explaining you everything that it's there and why you need it. It's everything. Not okay, LensDB. Yeah, I guess it's everything. I mean, I already written all of these things on my website. So before making the video, I've created this, and you see that it's to the point with this. Okay. OpenAI. I'm just trying to understand if it missed something. OpenAI, no, I mean, it's quite good. API keys, okay, with load. Okay, GPT 0, adding DuckDuckGo tools, print response. Yeah, it's good. That's very good. So from the video, it's managed to understand, I guess, everything. Yeah, that's very, very well done. So I guess you can create articles easily with this on any videos because they are very detailed and correct. Of course, you need also to check them to be sure that they are correct, especially if you're doing something technical, to not, I don't know, not have something that is not working. But from the look of it, this is doing a very good job. And yeah, this is the article that I have, and yeah, I mean, it's created everything very, very good. So you can use this to just spin off an article for your video if you want to do also this very fast. Let's see with the YouTube. So yeah, this is the image. It's not it's not that good, but I guess neither the prompt it's that good. I don't know what this is. It is. At least I want to see if it has the good format. ChatGPT, save file. Where it save it? I want to get info. Okay, it's about the size of the thing requested. Is not exactly the size of a video, but again, yeah, I mean, you can tell it to add some text in here if you want and other things. It's up to you, but yeah, I mean, rate this image. Don't like the style. Submit. So I guess I will let the thumbnail that I have in there. And yeah, I mean, right now, if you want, you can ask him other things about this video if you want to create a summary and things like that. It's up to you. Again, all of these things are free, and you can go and create another prompt and you can chat it with it. I don't know. You can ask it whatever you want. You can add search in here. Let's say, for instance, most of the things that I am doing are like for technical things, so that's why I'm asking him usually mostly technical things. Let me activate this code execution because I want to see without search code execution. I want to see what this thing is doing. I never tested it, so I will ask him to create a website for a service company that creates AI agents in Python. I mean, I'm just trying to see this and how it can do. Execute code in the prompt. Let's see if this thing is working directly. Again, I'm doing mostly technical things because this is my life, let's say. Yeah, about us, here are the page services. Portfolio, good. Technical expertise, good, good. Blog insights, okay, good. Contact us. General consideration. Yes, do that. Create the website. Let's see. Okay, you see here the tokens, only 3000 tokens, and in here it helps you create a very good website, which is okay. Create the HTML, CSS, and Java code for me, because I want him to generate this. I don't want to generate images and things like that. I don't know if it can. We're gonna see. Let's ask him this thing also to see if create a YouTube nail for this video to be nice and use the Agno agents. We're in there. Let's see if, I don't know if it can create images. We're just doing live all of these things. I mean, it's better when you're in front of the camera because it helps you be more structured. Okay, agent website. Let's see this thing. It's going or what? I think it didn't. It stopped. Create the and let's wait for this. We're doing too much things in the same thing. Doesn't like this. We're going to go after to see if that image is generated because I'm curious to see that. I will add a timestamp in this video so you can go. So you can go and move between them if you don't like it. I will not edit this video a lot. We're going to see directly all of these things. So this is like the new format of the channel. I don't want to do a lot of editing. Okay, it speeds up the code like, my god, very fast. But again, you can run this or not. Copy to clipboard, HTML. Yeah, it didn't. Even I have the code execution, you cannot run the code execution in here for some reason. So yeah, I mean, you can check this easily. Let me open my preferred editor, file, new. Put these things in here, save it in the desktop index.html. I'm curious to see if it's working, and let me open that thing. Let me go into the desktop. I have a lot of things in here. Where it is. So yeah, this is what he created. About us services, agent solution, your portfolio. I mean, this is a basic thing. I just wanted to see how you can do that. Okay. Yeah, let's go and check that thumbnail thing, because if I will not try it now, I will never try it. Okay, create and engaging YouTube thumbnail for this video. Like this. Let's see if you can create also the YouTube thumbnails in here. I'm curious to see if you can do everything with Gemini right now. Okay. I guess this thing, it will take some time to go and generate the thumbnail if it can. We're gonna let him do his work. 36 seconds. Yeah, let's see if it can generate the YouTube thumbnail for us, because maybe it can do a better job than me. And why not? You can even do A/B tests with them. You don't need to replace it. Just do a A/B test in YouTube, and you let YouTube decide which one is better for you. Yeah, I mean, generated the options. They are not generate the images. Okay. Yeah, so like this, you can use the Google AI Studio and especially Gemini 2.5 Pro to, I don't know, help you with your YouTube videos, maybe with other projects. You can use it right now for free. It's powerful, it's easy to use, and yeah, it can speed up some work for you. And if you are interested to see different tech videos, go to my channel and check what I have in there. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.